Hey guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to upload your first PDF to your PageTurnPro account. And what you want to do is just go over to create new publication here and choose your file. Now this could be any PDF that you have that you want to convert. Alright, when your file has uploaded successfully, you get to this screen. Now let's give our PDF a title. Let's call it Digital Catalogs. Folder's fine. You can throw in some keywords so that you can link different publications to each other. Let's see. I'll just give it one tag. That's fine. Now we could scan through this and see what we want here. I want to give tips, and let's do print. You can change how people view your digital publication, and we're going to try Studio V3, that's fine. And submit. Okay, create the publication. And if you go to My Publications right here under your publication folders, you will see that it's being converted. Now, when you refresh this, so our publication is now active, and that's how you create your first digital publication.